Hey guys, I'm showing you this MOOACE printer stand. This is a 3-tier under desk home printer cart on wheels. Industrial height adjustable, wood rolling printer table for fax machine, scanner, rustic brown, and it's in black. So as you can see, this comes with the instruction. We have to install it before using it. So everything is marked. As you can see, the stickers of the alphabets. These are the wheels, and the good thing is that you can use either wheels or you can just make it a simple stand like with these ones. All the tools and everything are provided. So the total length I would say is 15 inches and the width of 11.8 inch. It's the metal legs like at this, and you have to put or adjust this the two ways. It's pretty straightforward, that you can see. The instructions are very clear. So these are the nuts that's given with this, and this is the tool that is provided along with it so that you can use. So I made these two parts, and as you can see, you can either use the wheel or this stopper. So I'm using the wheels in this one. So now just putting in these racks like the wooden one. So this is a sturdy panel, and you can see the fixing or assembling it is not a big deal, and you can use it the way you want. It's pretty handy table. So it's adjustable, and as you see that I putting all these shelves now. So just giving the final touch of putting in all the shelves. So it's done, and you can see the final product or this printer cart or the table. So the two wheels can be locked, and you can see like if you want it in the back or the front, you can do all the changes per your requirement. And this is the whole cart looks like. I put my printer, paper, and some utility here, and you can see that it really fit well, and no issue with the wheels or the sturdiness and anything. So these are the metal and then the wood in between. You can also adjust the shelves more up or down. So hopefully you like this, and it's very handy and useful cart in your home.